This is Acretown presenting multiple lots in Monroe County, Tennessee. Enjoy the tour. Unlock the door to true mountaintop living with nearly 64 acres of pristine land just outside the charming town of Tellico Plains. Whether you're looking to build one dream home or two, these spacious wooded lots offer sweeping mountain valley views, total privacy, and the rare combination of power and water access already in place. Each lot has been fully surveyed with gentle slopes, abundant wildlife, and very light restrictions, giving you maximum flexibility to build. Legal access is secured via a private easement, and HOA-maintained power and water lines run along Highlands Bluff Road. Both properties are free from floodplains, boast low annual taxes, and are priced about 22% below market value, offering instant equity for your future plans. For future notifications of discounted and owner-financed land, please like, subscribe, and follow. Situated just 22 minutes from the Ballplay boat ramp and 10 minutes from Tellico Plains, you'll enjoy the best of both adventure and convenience. With low taxes, flexible building options, and unbeatable pricing, these lots offer an incredible opportunity to build your legacy in the heart of Tennessee. Visit us at acretown.com/MonroeTN to learn more and start your journey today.